In this video, I will show you how to simply change your YouTube channel name without any stress using just your phone, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone. Let me show you how. For the first thing you want to do, for everyone using Android phone, go to Play Store. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on search icon right here. Then go ahead and click on search app and game and type in YouTube Studio. Hit on search. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on here, just like so. So all you have to do is to make sure you download and install YouTube Studio app. The same way you download and install it on Android is the same way you download it and install it on our iPhone. After a successful download and install, go ahead and hit on open right here. And it's going to connect and ask you to log in with your username and password on your YouTube Studio. After you successfully log in, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this profile icon from the top. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this pencil icon. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on this. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and enter your new name right here. If the name is available, lastly, go ahead and hit on save. And you are done. It's that simple. Then go ahead and hit on save. And you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.